Last time, while discussing the judgment of Messrs. Tulling and Wilson Private Limited, GSTAT's first order, we created a new question talking about कि ओडिशा का केस प्रिंसिपल बेंच दिल्ली के पास कैसे लगा. The answer lies in the reported and relied upon case of VS Products versus Additional Commissioner Appeals 19 Sentex 434 Bombay High Court, in which tribunal has relied upon this judgment, stating that even if the case does not involve any issue of place of supply, still because of the non-operationality of the state benches, principal bench can take the case in accordance with the law. Hence, the case of Odisha heard by principal bench, New Delhi. Now, so the case was remanded back considering the legal mandate and procedural fairness. Based upon the points that it is mandatory that the PO must redetermine the liability under section 75(2) and to be reheard and decided at the very threshold to ensure thorough review with all the documents considered and be heard in person before threshing any interest and penalties on the taxpayer.